IMAGIERS.net présente French lesson. So hi everyone and welcome to this French lesson. In this lesson we will focus on the sound g, g. So that's the way we will write it, like that, g, g. Okay, so let's start now. So to write the sound g, you've got two options. So we'll see the first one. So you'll put G before the letters A, O, U, R, L, and only these letters. Okay, so we'll see a few examples now. So let's check the first one in this example. So you can see that you've got accent aigu there, and then you've got the vowel A, okay, and between the two you get this G letter, okay, and so you will pronounce this word légal, okay, légal. The second example we've got here, so we've got R here, and then we've got O here. So if you check, it was the second letter that we stated previously, so you will pronounce the word cargo, okay, cargo, go, cargo, all right. Next example, you've got this vowel E, and then you've got the vowel U here, okay, so remember, G-U will give you the sound gu, gu, okay, so you get the word figure, figure, okay. Next example, E here, and then R, E, okay, so remember, if you've got this G letter combined with R here, you will get, sorry, the sound gr, gr, okay, you've got a, gr, so you get the word tigre, tigre, okay, and the last one, G plus L, okay, so you've got gl, gl, règle, règle, okay, so let's see them one more time. Légal, cargo, figure, tigre, règle. Okay? So, it was the first possibility. But then, of course, we've got another way to write the sound g, 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 g here. And here it is. So you'll put G, U before the letters E, E accent aigu, E accent grave, I, Y. Okay? So let's see a few examples now. The first one, so here you get I, and then you've got this vowel E. So as we said here, you should pronounce it G, G. Okay? So you get the word fatigue, fatigue. Okay, second possibility here, you've got this accent aigu. So remember, this accent aigu is pronounced a, okay, and so you get the word conjuguer, conjuguer. Okay, next example, you've got the vowel I here. Okay, so you will get the sound gi, gi, all right, and then you've got this d, guide, guide. All right, and the last one, another example with this I, gi, gi, guitare. All right, so let's see them one more time. The first one, fatigue, conjuguer, guide, guitare. I hope it was clear for you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.